Hello, guys. Get my mic set up here so you can hear me and everything else. Make sure we're all connected. Yeah, I just thought I'd put this quick video up. I was had a live today, and people are talking. They're doing this thing where they don't get ads on YouTube. I don't know if they know this or not. Monetized channel make their revenue from those ads. So you really should consider, I don't know, watching the ads all the way through, as well as when you go to somebody's channel. I guess you buy a program that might be YouTube Premium. I don't know. You don't get the ads. Well, that's a big slap in the face of the people like me and everybody that's monetized that worked hard to get to this position, because we lose revenue because of these programs, and it's not fair to us. Especially, I had a gentleman. Don't get me wrong. I like the guy. Come in and says, well, he pays so much money a month, so he don't watch the ads on YouTube. Well, we don't make money then. You're watching our videos. We're putting videos out and our hard work out there for what? Nothing. So all I gotta say is, guys, consider watching the videos, liking and subscribing and everything else. It helps our channels. It gives us revenue. It helps. Not a whole. We don't get a whole lot of money, but it will be enough to kind of justify what we do. Uh, we also have join buttons and super chats, but they put extra ads in the videos for a reason, to give us a little more revenue. We're all small channels, so in the future, guys, just, I don't know, think a little bit about this. You know, like I say, us monetized channels, that's how we get our money. Uh, we don't just get it pulled out of the sky. Every time an ad plays, we get it so much per ad. So just keep that in mind when you're watching any monetized channel. Let Turn the video on, let the ads run. That's how that channel makes its money, and it kind of helps support the channel. You want to support the channel. There's more to it than just going into a guy's live stream. It's called, you need to go and watch their videos. I have super chats and join buttons. I don't expect people to do none of that. If they want to, they can. But, you know, we lose revenue if you don't watch our videos, our ads in our videos. So just consider that, guys. That's all I wanted to say. It kind of floored me when I heard this comment today. So thanks very much. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future updates. And of course, this video will have ads in it. So bye, everybody, and have a great day. And God bless.